What's up, fam? We're here, week 4, kicking it off with Zumba. Smash it out. Let's go.
Choosing your battle, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. This time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line. Y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa.
I'm well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, 1A to Z. Party, so on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. Party, waka, waka, my eh, eh. Waka, waka, my eh, eh. Singing since summer, Zimbabwe, yeah. 'Cause this is Africa.
Samina, mina, anawa, samina, mina, samina, mina, anawa,
Samina, mina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, what's up?
How's that?
Bro, burning, eh?
Burning. First time
Yeah.
doing Zumba?
First time.
How'd you
Looks
like that?
easy, but
Yeah, yeah.
it's actually tiring, eh?
Tiring, man, bro. Alright, so since I got you, man, how come you joined the challenge?
Joined the challenge because my son's arriving in April, and that's the perfect time for the challenge to finish. And I guess I want to be the best version of myself, mentally and
Nice.
physically.
Yep. Nice. So that will be your why?
That's
or-
my why, and
that's
also
your
my
why?
mum and dad. Seeing
mum and
them
dad.
come along is
Oh, beautiful. So, well done. Thank you, brother.
thank you, Moso.
Enjoy the rest of training. Hello, Lavanino.
Alors je vois,
How's training?
it's hard, but it's a good hard. Everything's alright, but it's nice that some of our family turn it up, but we have to pray for some others of our challenge to available on the end of this week. So yeah,
Nice. Okay, just 2 questions, man. How come you joined the challenge?
so I didn't join the challenge, it's because of myself. I joined the challenge to push my kids, David and Alitina, because I don't want them to get sick like that kind of age. So I want them to grow up healthy and enjoy the life that we have.
Oh, nice. So, yeah, leading into that, man. So that will be your why, or do you have a
Of
different
course,
why?
definitely that's my why.
Nice.
That's my why. I don't want them to end up like their later dad, John. But the message from John, keep going, never give up. That's the message that I always remind them to think about, and because some other people when they sleep at night, they're using the those oxygen, but I don't want that thing to happen to them.
Nice.
So that's my why. I'm here because I want them to grow up healthy. Yeah.
Nice answer. Thank you. Also, better let you back in, bro. All right, hey sis.
Hi.
Cool. So, how was it? How was that training?
It was really good. It was really fun.
Really fun?
Yeah.
It's nice of you to bring your little ones with you.
Yeah, they're a bit annoying, but
All right, so I just got 2 questions for you.
Yeah.
Cool. So, first one is, why did you join the challenge?
I just wanted to meet new people and join a community. People on the same journey as me, get healthier.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. And second question is this: what's your why?
My children and
Nice.
just staying healthy. Yeah.
Awesome. Well done. Thank you, sis.
Thank you. Okay.
I'll let you get back in there.
Cool. Thank you.
Cool.
Bye.
Thanks for that.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. But I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they
Nice yourself. Ciao, happy.
Nice. Hey. Sure, sis. Well done, sis. Well done, guys. Well done, team. Come on, other one better. Nice, sis. So, Mikey. That's all right. We're done. Day 1 of week 4.